Hey my friends, welcome back to Genuynenotions. Today I have this cooling blanket that I want to show you, so let's check it out. And this is a cooling blanket. This is coming from an Amazon store called MarchPower. I have collaborated with them before. They got great items. And so they sent me this cooling blanket. And I'm going to share it with you guys and show it to you. It says it's a arc chill cooling blanket. You're supposed to be able to, it kind of has like touch technology, so it's supposed to keep you cool in hot days. And so it has a surface of 80% arc chill. It's cooling nylon, cooling polyethylene, and incorporated jade nanoparticles, and it's 100% cotton, which I like. I don't sleep with heavy blankets during the whole season, winter, summer. I just have like a thin blanket that I use, and that is what I use all year round. So when they sent me this, I thought, oh, maybe I have a new blanket that I can use. So I wanted to come on and show it to you. And so that store is this right here. I'll put the information down in the description box below, of course, so you can definitely check them out. But I am also going to put them on the screen here, their website, so you can take a quick look at it. So they do have different sizes. This one is a twin size and is a 59 by 79, pretty big even though it's twin size. And this is what it looks like. But I'll put their website so you can take a look at it. They have a lot of different designs on these and sizes. They do sell other things besides the blanket. They have pillows as well, and they do have designs that you may probably like more than just a plain solid one. So just take a quick look at their website there, and their name is right there, so you can just head over to their store. But I'll link their information down below so it make it easier, so you can just click on it and it'll take you there. So here it is. Oh, feels nice. And it tells you how you should use it. The blanket is made of cold fabric and will have a cooling effect on contact. Please note that you need to use the cold side to touch the skin. Okay, so it has a cold side. If you cover yourself with a blanket for a long time without turning around while sleeping, the heat dissipation rate of the blanket will slow down. So in other words, you have to move it around in order to get like that cool effect. Thus weakening the cooling effect of the blanket. You can help the blanket dissipate heat by moving body, turning around, etc. We recommend using it with an air conditioner to achieve the best cooling effect. Okay, that makes sense. All right, so let's just see, because I'm excited because this will probably be my new blanket. I don't like super heavy blankets, so I use a very thin blanket all year round. Unless I don't get heat and it's super cold, then I'll settle for a heavier blanket. But usually I just have like a thin blanket. This is perfect. Ooh, look how nice. So it does have, oh, so I'm assuming this is right here. This one is the cooling side. So let me just show you. This right here kind of feels like a t-shirt. It's 100% cotton, and you can definitely see the difference there. So this is the cooling side here, and this is the other side. And it feels nice, very nice. I think also you have to wash it a certain way as well. You can't just wash it. It says gentle washing up to 30C. You cannot bleach it. Do not dry it, and you should hang it up to dry, because it says do not tumble dry or do not iron either. So I mean, who irons their blankets, right? But yeah, so it should just be a gentle cycle and no bleaching and no drying, and just hang it up. And this probably dries pretty quick. So yeah, this is it right here. I'm not gonna open the whole thing because you're not gonna be able to see it in the camera anyway, but it's a very nice size. Ooh, I like the weight of it too. I think this is gonna be my new blanket. So yeah, this part here is the cooling side, and then you can definitely see the other side there. This one feels like the t-shirt, and I'm pretty sure once you wash it, it'll get even softer. So very nice. Feels very, very nice. And it's a nice size because my blankets are not big at all. So I don't use like what do you call it? I do not use like full-size blankets. I usually get like a smaller size blanket because I uncover myself. Sometimes I have like my legs out and some of the blanket on top of me and all that stuff. So I just don't like super heavy blankets, but this is perfect. So yes, very nice. So also I was thinking that, you know, when people go out on vacation and they don't like to use the blankets that are in the hotel, this is a good option for that, especially in the summer, because it cools you down. It's a nice size, and you can pack it up, put it in your duffel bag or in your luggage, and it's not that big. You see that? It doesn't take a lot of space, and you can have a nice blanket that's yours. You don't have to use another blanket that you don't want in a hotel. So that's a good option as well. So yeah guys, this is MarchPower. You can find them on Amazon. I will link their information down below, so go check them out. The blanket seems like it's really cool. I can't wait to try it. I want to see how the cooling effect happens, so I'm excited. So thank you so much guys for joining me. Again, I'll link this information down below so you can go check them out. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.